Okay, so the first thing, as you all know, that today is our Constitution Day also. So before starting our class for today, we will just read the preamble of our Indian Constitution. Okay, so just you can see this is the preamble of our Indian Constitution. I am reading it for you once. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So this is our preamble of the Constitution, and we all have to follow it by our heart, okay, and mind, so we can means do everything better for our country. So this is the thing for our Constitution Day. Everyone, you should also just means follow it by your heart and soul. Okay, so in our last class we have started our this chapter practical geometry. So let me start it. Okay, practical geometry. Okay, so in that chapter we have completed up to exercise 10.2, in which we have discussed how to draw a triangle. That thing also we have already discussed.
Sir,
Wait. So in our last class we have discussed about this thing, how to construct angles, and then I told you the construction of triangles. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स, और उसमें हमने एक टॉपिक डिस्कस किया था. One topic we have already discussed, when we are given with all the three sides of a triangle. If we are given with all the measurement of all the three sides of a triangle, SSS. If we are given with this thing, that we have already discussed. So now we will be moving to another part. If we are given with two sides and one angle, suppose SAS, this property we are given with, then how to draw a triangle, then how we are going to draw. Let us take an example. एक example लेते हैं हम. Okay, suppose we are given with AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 75 degree, and BC equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so we need to draw a triangle. Okay, now you can see we are given with the three side. One is a side, then an angle, and then side. So that means we are having two sides and one angle between them. So we will be using this property side, angle, side. Okay, so how to draw? First we will draw a side BC as base. Okay, so we will take BC as base. We can take AB also. हाँ, कोई भी ले सकते हो तुम. You can take AB or BC, anyone. Just you have to remember, when you are taking the base ना, if one angle is given, देखो अगर एक angle दिया हुआ है, and if you are taking base, then this B should be included in the side. That angle B should be included. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that if AC is given, you are taking AC as base and angle B is given, then it will be wrong. You will not be able to solve. ओके, सपोज इस क्वेश्चन में AC की जगह AB की जगह पे AC 6 सेंटीमीटर होता, देन आई हैव टू ड्रॉ BC ड्रॉ करना होता. ओके, बट आई कांट ड्रॉ AB देन AC. सो we have taken this BC as 7 centimeter. Measuring with the ruler you can do. BC 7 centimeter, you will name it BC. Then what you will do? You will take this B as center. इस B point पे you will put your compass on point B. B पे compass रखना है. Here you will be putting your compass and you will mark an arc like this. Okay, so you will put your compass at B and mark an arc like this, because we have to draw an angle of 75 degree. In our last class we have discussed this thing, how to draw the angle of 75. So now you will put your compass over this P point, then you will mark this arc first, it is of 60 degree, then you will mark an arc that is of 120, then on this 120 and 60, between them you will mark an arc like this, one from this point, one from this point, and that will be your, how much? It will be 90 degree.
90 degree.
Yes,
90 degree.
this will be your 90 degree, okay, measurement. Then what you will do? You will put your compass at this 90, wait, okay. You will put your compass at this 90 degree here, here you will put it, and you will put at 60, between 60 and 90 you will mark arc, and that will be how much? It will be your 75 degree. This will be 75 degree. Now you have taken this 75. Now just see, from B point you have drawn the angle 75 degree. That means half of the work is already done. ये वाला काम हो चुका है. Now you will take a 6 centimeter arc from B on this line. देखो B पे you will put your compass at B. You will open it 6 centimeter. कंपस को 6 सेंटीमीटर ओपन करना है. ओके, यू विल ओपन योर कंपस 6 सेंटीमीटर. यू विल पुट इट एट B and you will mark an arc here. Suppose here you are getting at 6 centimeter. That means you have got this A point. So AB is how much? It is 6 centimeter now. Now you will join this AB to C point, this one, A to C. So you have got your triangle ABC. तुम्हारा triangle complete हो गया है. So this is the process you will be following when you are given with two sides and one angle. That means you will be drawing a base, then you will draw the given angle, then you will mark an arc, and then you can draw. Okay, so this is the process when you have to follow when you are given with two sides and one angle. Now let us see the next thing. We have done two of the things. One is side. So these two we have done already, side and side angle side. Now we will be moving to the third thing. The third thing is when we are given with two angles and one side. Suppose which property that is known as angle side angle. When we are given with two angles and one side. Okay, we will take an example. Suppose we are given AB side equal to 5 centimeter, angle A equal to 70, okay, take it as 45 degree, and angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, suppose this is the thing we are given with. AB 5 centimeter, angle A is given, angle B. Now this time you are given with two angles. ध्यान से देखो, इस बार तुम लोगों को दो एंगल मिले हुए हैं. Okay, so अब तुम्हारे पास बेस लेने के लिए कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यू विल टेक ए बी इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर एज बेस. यू विल टेक डायरेक्टली दिस साइड एज बेस. सो दिस ए बी आई हैव टेकन एज बेस. सो आई विल ड्रॉ ए बी 5 centimeter. By measuring with the ruler you can easily draw a line AB 5 centimeter. Now what is the option you are having? You have to draw angle A 45 degree. Okay, so you can draw this angle A 45. How you will be drawing? You will take this A point as center. You will put your compass here. You will mark an arc like this. Then the first arc from this point, the first arc will be 60. Okay, then you can do what? You can bisect 60 and 0. Between 60 and 0, how much you will be getting? You will be getting 30. Okay, so you will draw a line like this. It will be of 30. See, draw this as dotted line. इसको ना dotted line draw करना. Why? Because we don't require 30 degree angle. हमें 30 नहीं चाहिए. We need 45 degree. Now I will put my compass. मैं अब अपने कंपास को कहाँ पे रखूंगा? I will put my compass over this 30 and 60. एक बार 30 के ऊपर रख के आर्क लगाऊंगा, एक बार 60 के ऊपर रख के आर्क लगाऊंगा. Now I will put up a line from this point A and over this one like this. Now I have got an angle. अब मेरे पास जो एंगल बना है, now this angle will be how much? ये वाला एंगल कितना बना? इट इज 45 दैट आई रिक्वायर्ड। ये वाला एंगल 45 डिग्री बन गया। ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल बी टेकिंग, एंगल ए 45 डिग्री। देखो हमने एंगल ए बना दिया। सबसे पहले ए बी वी हैव टेकन एज बेस 5 सेंटीमीटर, देन वी हैव ड्रॉन एंगल ए 45। नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस एंगल बी 90 डिग्री एंगल तुम लोगों को ड्रॉ करना आता है। वी विल टेक दिस बी हियर, वी विल do like this, one arc, then from this point first arc will be how much, 60, second arc 120, and between 60 and 120 you will mark like this, and then you will pass a line from B point and through this intersection, and it will be your 90 degree. And see, the line I have taken from this B point is intersecting the line I have taken from A point, so that means we have automatically got our C point. C point हम लोगों को ऑटोमेटिकली मिल गया है, so that means we have drawn our triangle ABC as per the required information। जो हमारी information है उसके according हम लोगों को triangle ABC we have got। Okay, so this is now the next thing, if we are having, what is the next property, anyone? It is RHS, RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side। See, when we are going to draw a right angle triangle, that means first thing, मैं यहाँ पे ना एक क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ, draw a right angle triangle with hypotenuse let us take it as 10 centimeter and one of its side 6 सेंटीमीटर। अब देखो यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है ना, द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल विद हाइपोटेन्यूज 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड वन ऑफ इट्स साइड। क्योंकि देखो RHS प्रॉपर्टी में हमारे पास क्या होता है, व्हाट वी आर हैविंग हियर, वन इज राइट एंगल, दैट मीन्स इट इज गिवन राइट एंगल यू नो 90 डिग्री, देन one is hypotenuse, that means it is also given 10 centimeter, and one of the side is 6 centimeter। So how you are going to draw it? You will take your, देखो अगर एक रफ डायग्राम बनाते हैं, सबसे पहले ऐसा दिखता है हमारा राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, तुम लोगों को अच्छे से पता है। तो वन ऑफ द साइड इज गिवन 6 सेंटीमीटर, सो आई कैन टेक बेस एज 6 सेंटीमीटर। मैं नीचे जो बेस बनाने वाला हूं आई कैन टेक दैट वन, बिकॉज हाइपोटेन्यूज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइक दिस, हाइपोटेन्यूज हमारा ऐसे बनेगा। सो आई एम टेकिंग बेस, बेस कितना लेना है 6 सेंटीमीटर। सो यू कैन टेक योर बेस बाय मेजरिंग विद द रूलर, यू कैन टेक इट एज 6 सेंटीमीटर। यू कैन नेम एनीथिंग, कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हो उसको, A और B, you can give any name। Okay, so 6 centimeter। Now it completely depends upon you, you are going to draw 90 degree angle on A or B, ये भी तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है where you want to take। okay, ये completely डिपेंड करता है, either you can draw angle 90 degree on A point, you can draw on B point। देखो अगर A point पे draw करोगे your triangle will look like this, अगर B point पे triangle draw करोगे 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ करोगे इट विल लुक लाइक दिस, बट राइट एंगल तो बनेगा ना, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं पे भी ड्रॉ कर दो। सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग, आई एम टेकिंग दिस A पॉइंट, देन आई विल मार्क एन आर्क, देन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट I will mark first arc, it is of 60, second arc 120, then between 60 and 120 this is 90, so that means I am taking a line 90 degree angle, okay, from the intersection of the arcs। See this one, so this I have taken is what, at 90 degree। देखो मेरा आधा काम हो गया है, I have taken base, I have taken, now just see we are not given with the other side, so I can't use this A point again। मैं A पे रख के इस point पे कोई आर्क नहीं लगा सकता। What I need my hypotenuse as 10 सेंटीमीटर, और hypotenuse कहाँ से बनेगा, it will be from A point or B point, it will be from B point, hypotenuse Yes, it will be from B
सर
point. So
बी
now
पॉइंट से सर
I will put my compass over B point. मैं B point पे compass रखूंगा. I will open it. How much I have to open my compass? Equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter open करना है. And then I will cut here. देखो मैंने अपने कंपास को B पॉइंट पे रखना है. आई विल ओपन इट 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड आई विल मार्क एन आर्क ओवर दिस लाइन. देन आई विल join it. I will join it like this and see our triangle, our right angle triangle ABC is ready with base 6 centimeter, hypotenuse 10 centimeter. So this is what we are going to draw a right angle triangle. एक right angle triangle draw करना है तो ये सब हम लोगों को करना है. Question for you is construct a triangle ABC with AB 7 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter and AC 3 centimeter. Okay, you have to construct a triangle ABC with AB 7 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, AC 3 centimeter. So let me see one thing. The triangle for this measurement is not possible. वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते विद 7 सेंटीमीटर, 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड 3 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज यू ऑल नो वन थिंग, सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. टू साइड्स मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. तुम लोगों को अच्छे से पता है ये प्रॉपर्टी. थर्ड साइड, दैट मीन्स अगर मैं 4 + 3 ऐड करता हूं तो हाउ मच आई एम गेटिंग? 4 + 3 आई एम गेटिंग 7. इज इट ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड? नो.
नो
सो
सर
दैट मीन्स विद द गिवन मेजरमेंट, जो मैंने ये तुम लोगों को मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है ना, विद दिस मेजरमेंट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ नहीं होगा. सो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि बस साइड देखा और स्टार्ट कर दिया है. सो यू विल राइट योर आंसर. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ. वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है टू ड्रॉ दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल PQR in which angle P is equal to 60 degree, comma QR equal to 7 centimeter and angle R equal to 60/30. Okay, we will take this one as 75 degree. Okay, so how we are going to draw this triangle? When you are having this kind of question na, you will not write the thing first thing not possible, क्योंकि ये possible है. Okay, this is the first thing, it is possible. So let me delete all these things, then I will draw it. Now the question is related to angle, side angle. It is clear, तुम सबको ये तो पता ही था. Then we are given with only one side, so we are not having any other option, so we will draw this side only. We will draw QR 7 centimeter. ये आंसर तुमने सही किया था, that we can draw QR 7 centimeter. Okay, so suppose I am taking this one as Q, this one as R, and I am drawing it as 7 centimeter. Now I am given with angle R 75. So I will draw on point R, I will draw my angle of 75. How I will be drawing? I will take an arc. First arc will be 60, second is 120, then between 60 and 120 it will be 90. So I will mark a dotted line. A dotted line I will mark like this, that will be of 90 degree. Okay, between then 90 and 60. फिर 90 और 60 पे I will put my arc compass over this point, mark, then at 60 I will get a 65 degree line. Okay, so this I am getting as, sorry, 75. This I am getting as 75. Okay, so
Sir, I
this one
sir, I
is
also
okay, so we have taken angle R at 75. तो हमने r को भी 75 ड्रॉ कर लिया. नाउ द थिंग इज वी आर नॉट गिवन विद एंगल q, वी आर गिवन विद एंगल p. But you all know one thing, the sum of all three angles of a triangle, angle P plus Q plus R is 180 degree. So if you are given with angle P as 60 plus angle Q you are given as 75 plus angle angle R you are given with 75, angle Q you don't know, so you will write it 180. Then angle Q you can find from here. So angle Q will be how much? 60 plus 75, it will be how much? 135. So 180 minus 135. Now you know angle Q is 45 degree. So draw this angle Q as 45. इस angle Q को अब 45 draw कर दो. How you will be drawing it? You will take this Q point, then you will mark an arc, then you will mark the first arc that is 60, second arc 120, then between 60 and 120 you can take arc like this. Okay, then you will take it like this. Okay, so now between 0 you will put your compass, here at 0 you will mark an arc, you will put your compass at 90, you will mark an arc, and it will go for angle of 45 degree. This angle Q will be of 45 degree, like this it will go. Okay, 45 degree. So that means what? And see, it will touch your line that is coming from R. जो R से line आई है ना, वो उसको touch कर रहा है. So that means it will be your P point. And when you will measure this angle by using your protractor ना, it will be automatically 60 degree because you have drawn angle R as 75, angle Q you have drawn as 45 degree. So 75 plus 45, how much it is? 120. So 180 minus 120, you will get it 60 degree. So when you don't know the condition completely ना, then you have to follow this kind of rules also. ये भी करना है. That's why I always say expand your mind while you are solving maths. Don't go for a single thing. Now there is a question. It is not working. Okay. Construct a triangle ABC. Okay, sorry. Construct a triangle isosceles triangle with base 7 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. You have to construct an isosceles triangle that is having base 7 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. See, if we have to draw an isosceles triangle, we know that it is having two sides equal and base is unequal. So we will take this base 7 centimeter that is given to us. हम इस बेस को क्या करेंगे? 7 centimeter. We will take this one as 7 centimeter. And you can name it any name you can give because it is not given in the triangle. So you can take x, y, that is 7 centimeter you have taken. Now you will bisect this line. तुम इस लाइन को bisect करोगे. You will bisect it. Perpendicular bisector. How to draw a perpendicular bisector? I told you. You will put your compass over y, you will open it more than half, you will mark an arc up and down like this. Okay, then you will put your compass at x with same measurement, you will mark an arc like this. Okay, then you will join it with the dotted line. Okay, dotted line से ऐसे join कर देना है. That means you have bisected the line. तुमने line को क्या कर दिया है? You have bisected it into two equal parts. दो equal parts में bisect कर दिया तुमने उसको. Okay. Now what you have to do? You will take point, this one, this midpoint. This is the point you are going to take. Okay. You will put your compass at this point. Suppose this is point P. You will open it 4 centimeter. You will mark an arc. Suppose this is 4 centimeter arc you are taking. So this will be your Z point. Now join your lines to this Z point. यहाँ पे join कर दो x to Z, y to Z, and you will get your triangle XYZ with 4 centimeter height height 4 centimeter and base 7 centimeter.